Welcome back to Learn Earn Crypto channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do spot trading or buy and sell in Binance Exchange. First, you can go to the Binance.com or use the Windows app or your mobile app. Then go to Trade, select Spot, and you will see here the cryptocurrency pair. For this case, I select the Bitcoin and USD Tether pair. This means the Bitcoin is the main coin being traded and you can buy or sell using USDT. This is the price of the main coin or the Bitcoin against USDT. This section is the order book. The red color shows the traders selling Bitcoin and the green color shows the people who want to buy at this current Bitcoin price. To view the chart, you can click on this button and you'll see the Bitcoin price chart. Or you can also use the Bitcoin price chart from the tradingview.com. And this is the search bar where you can search the other cryptocurrency pair that you wish to trade. You can search the cryptocurrency like ADA for Cardano or ETH for Ethereum. This section is where you will put your trades to buy and sell. As an example, we will make a limit order to trade or to buy Bitcoin. Select buy and the order type, select limit. Here you can put the spot price you wish to buy your Bitcoin for, and that will trigger the limit order. Let's set the price to 50,000. In the amount field, you can input the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase or use the percentage. Or you can use the total field and put the amount you want to spend. For example, we want to buy Bitcoin worth $100. Then click buy. Your order will be fulfilled if the price of Bitcoin drops to 50,000. You can follow the same steps to sell by selecting Sell tab and set the price and amount. Limit order is the default order type. If you want to place an order as soon as possible, you can change this to market order, and you can buy and sell at the current market price. Stop limit is an order that has both stop and limit price. When the stop price is reached, it triggers the limit order. The limit price is the specific price of the limit order the stop price triggers. Once your stop price has been reached, the limit order is immediately placed on the order book. The stop limit can be the same, but for buy orders, it is recommended to set your stop price slightly lower than limit price to reduce the risk of your order not being fulfilled. Here is an example of buy order using stop limit for breakout traders. The current Bitcoin price is 54,800, and if you think that there is a resistance at, for example, 56,000, and you want to buy more when the price breaks the resistance, as you think that the price will go higher, you can put the stop price rather, as 56,000. And the limit price is slightly higher, 56,500. This means your order will be placed when the price reach your stop price, which is 56,000. And you can put the amount you wish to purchase. You can review the details and then confirm. Your order here shows if the price is above 56,000, then you will place an order at limit price 56,500. The same step for stop limit sell order, but you will have to set your stop price slightly higher than limit price. Stop limit is good for you if you are an active trader, but if long-term trader or investor, then limit order will do. Another order type is OCO, meaning one cancels the other. Let's have an example for sell OCO order. The price field is your limit order's price. Say we set this to 60,000 US dollar. Stop is your stop limits order trigger price. And we say, let's set this to 49,000 US dollar. And let's set the limit order to 48,500, and you can put the total amount of Bitcoin you want to sell in future. This sell order means if the Bitcoin price reaches 60,000 US dollars, then you will sell your position at that price. But if the price drops to 49,000, it will trigger and place your sell order at 48,500. This order type is best for day traders or scalpers, as they want to take profit at specific price or cut loss with trigger price. Again, for long-term investor or position trader, the limit order for buy and sell is the best for you. This section you will see your order and trade history. You can click on this button to check your open orders, order history, and trade history. And that's how you do the spot trading on Binance platform. If you want to learn more about crypto trading, do subscribe and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching.